Hi, it's Evan Moser, VP of Engineering for Deutsche Beverage Process, and I'm in the Charlotte headquarters. I'm going to go over some of the features of our 300-gallon pot still. So here we got a copper pot still, different features of a helmet. So this is a little bit more squished onion style with a Lyne arm. That's copper. We can do those Lyne arms, up or down depending on the reflux rates you're looking for. Another feature we have here, this is an all copper column set. We also do these in stainless, so depending on the application, we're going to change these out. Preference of the distiller. We can also do this in, we can stack them, so we can do a lot more trays. So you can have, this is a 5-tray set, but we can do a 10 or 11, 12, whatever is the preference or need for the application. We can stack those. Another feature that's really nice about these is the analog gauges here. So they give you just a quick reference of how your system's operating. Our control systems also has the digital, so the system's actually controlling itself via the PLC, but at the same time, just for a quick reference of where your system's operating, easy display right in front of you for quick reference. Another nice feature that this still has is our stacked gin basket. So this is our new patented design where we've actually broken the botanical trays out, so you get a lot better utilization of those botanicals. Obviously a very expensive ingredient, so this helps utilize those better so you can use less, and ultimately each one of these trays can have different botanicals on it, which then goes into that section in the end there for making your gins or even botanically infusing other spirits. Something that you can't quite see is there's a hoist system. So we've all seen it in a gin basket. You get the botanicals get saturated, they get heavy. It's really hard to remove those botanicals. Well, what's nice about this is you can just hook the hoist system to it, lift the whole tray set out, and it's easy to clean. So very user friendly for the distiller. Another nice feature or kind of adds pizzazz to the still is the parrot system. So this is an all copper one. We can do them in different designs and shapes, but kind of gives your still that aesthetic. If it's visible to consumers, they can see your system, but it also gives you the functionality of doing a spirit check with your hydrometer. And then the last thing we got here is a spirit safe. So this is a 3 division spirit safe, and it's set up to do your heads, hearts, and tails. Obviously the biggest section in the middle is where you're going to do your main collection, but it's set up where you can easily switch it throughout your process. So as you get to that first phase, you can switch it to the next, switch it to the last, and easily collect it. And then if you need to do a pump back in, it's got drain valves, so that's how that works. And then we do these in a lot of different sizes. So depending on the still size, these will be sized appropriately to the still.